Hi, our date is 15th December, and for the week starting from 17th of December 2012, we have tried to find out which are the banking stocks which can rally next week. Okay, so before we start with anything, we should first find out what's the current chart of Bank Nifty. So on Bank Nifty, we have this level of 12,424.70, and on the closing basis, this is just 3 points short of the high on 6th December 2012. Okay. As you can see, as I told you in our last a few demonstrations, that the stochastics crossover is very important. So as of now, the stochastics of Bank Nifty is 37,42. So we don't have an exactly positive crossover. But then on the RSI, we have again got a crossover yesterday. Okay, and it's at 70.49, 69.08. Again, this is one of the overbought regions, but then the markets tend to go up badly, voraciously when they are in the overbought region. Okay, so before recommending something on Bank Nifty, let us find out which are the banking stocks on which we can expect some movement next week. Okay. The first stock we really like is IndusInd Bank. So IndusInd Bank closed at 422 rupees yesterday, and the 52-week high on closing basis was 426. Again, I would like to tell you over here that we will be considering only closings on 52-week highs on closing basis only, rather than absolute basis. Okay. So 422 is where we have closed. You can see the stochastics. The stochastics right now is at 42,28. Okay, and the relative strength indicator is at 66,66. So very close. But from the stochastic point of view, this is one of the great levels. Where we should buy. In fact, we had issued a buy call on IndusInd Bank when it was trading at 414, 415 yesterday on 14th December itself. It has closed at 422 with a high of 423. The immediate resistance will be something between 422 to 426 should be a good resistance. But then you can see this last rally from 21st November when it was trading at 373 rupees, it went up to 416 rupees. That's approximately 43 rupees for a stock of 400 rupees, so approximately 10%. We would go ahead with a target of maybe 445, 10% from here on. And you can see that if I were to draw a trend line, you will see where the trend line actually meets. So so this is the trend line, and we shall go ahead for a target of approximately 440 to 450 levels on IndusInd Bank for next week. The second stock which I like in the mid-cap banking sector is Yes Bank. So let us have a look at Yes Bank. Yes Bank closed at 460 rupees. Again, a chart very similar to what we had in in IndusInd Bank, and the stock had a phenomenal rise from this level of 420 to 460 rupees during the first half of the rally, when Nifty went up from 5600 levels to 5900 levels. Okay. So on this stock also we are highly bullish, and we can anticipate a target of 485 to 490 rupees. You can see there's a very beautiful stochastic crossover. In the large cap banking sector, large cap banking stocks, ICICI Bank and Axis Bank have continued to go up. Axis Bank, I remember, made a high of 3072 last week, and ICICI Bank something around 1150 rupees. But then the most important stock on the chart right now is State Bank of India. State Bank of India is very close to the resistance level from which it has retraced every time, which is approximately something between 2350. Once we can break beyond this 2350 levels, it can go to 2500 levels, and that will be one very, very big breakout for Yes Bank. So State Bank of India, please remember my words. State Bank of India, once above 2350, it can go anywhere to 2500, 2600. So it's a very, very strong buy above 2350. And the last stock which we'll be discussing over here today is Axis Bank. So in Axis Bank also you can see that rally is starting, and we can have a target of 1450 on the stock, and for ICICI Bank it can be around 1170-80 rupees. You can see the stochastics of all the stocks going up. So more or less on the Bank Nifty we anticipate a rally of another 4%. So Bank Nifty should be targeting around 12,800 next week, and we should go ahead and buy calls of Bank Nifty of 12,500. On this basis, I can say that Nifty can easily go up another 2-3% next week, but about that we'll discuss in the next seminar. Thank you.